Indombo further addressed the closing of a training of trainers session on the National Training Resource Kit on Gender-Based Violence held at Swakopmund. Major practitioners were familiarized with the toolkit, which is to serve as part of a holistic approach to firstly understand and then take practical steps to overcome gender based violence in Namibia. The toolkit complements the National Plan of Action on Gender Based Violence for 2019 to 2023. The training was organized by the Ministry of Gender Affairs and Child Welfare in collaboration with the GIZ under its Prevention of Gender Based Violence in Southern Africa project. The executive director Indobo said it was imperative, given the nation's background of GBV cases, that the scourge be tackled collectively and head on.
You have read, we have heard, we have witnessed rising numbers of child sexual abuse cases. The recent horrific cases of Okahandjas or cases of Okahandjas, the mass killing case of Yusakos, and that those cases brought us as mothers, as fathers, as brothers, sisters, and just sympathizers in tears.
According to recent police figures, the country recorded about 4,405 cases of GBV between April 2024 and February 2025. Of these, 1,345 were rape cases. Participants at the 4-day workshop, including staff of the Ministry of Gender Affairs and Child Welfare, had this to say.
I've learned a lot concerning our legal frameworks, the types of GBV we have, and what are the causes and so forth.
My takeaway is that, we have established at the radio station 3 core social pillars that we have introduced beginning of this year, which is GBV, poverty eradication, and environmental affairs. Now, I think we have the tools to roll out our GBV program very efficiently at the radio stations.
What we came up with, we should see how sensitive it is to use different words, how good it is, how best it is, to make sure people understand what gender-based violence is and how to take part, how to eradicate it.
On our side, we are going to do an aggressive awareness campaign for everybody to identify, because there are people who are being abused or are violated, but they don't know that it's a gender-based violence. So we want to go and educate people so that they come forth and report these cases.
Lahia Dutale, NBC News, Swakopmund.